easy go.
That this is hard work. I've worked hard for a long time. It's not about winning, but what it's about is not giving up. If you have a dream, fight for it. There's a discipline for passion, and it's not about how many times you get rejected or but you fall down or you're beaten up. It's about how many times you stand up and are brave and you keep on going.
Okay guys, so we're gonna do this again. If you guys can see the last video where we attempt to make a shirt, I don't know if I should blame this vinyl. I don't know, because it's the vinyl that came with the Cricut, and this is the premium vinyl. So we changed the vinyl today. I have a vlog on it. We're going back to the Cricut site and we're gonna push customize it. This is the one that I want. I remember from last night that this was too big, so I'm gonna make it a little smaller. I don't know if this. So I'm gonna go back to templates, type in shirt. Scooping that because that's the type of shirt we're using. Let's see how. Let's get like one word, huh? I like one word. So this is how it will look on the shirt. Let's try it. I'm ready. I'm gonna turn the Cricut on. Push open.
Shiny side down.
Yeah, so it's the color down, right? Alright, so I'm going to push make it. Let me see how it is. Oh, let me cancel it. I think it's a little too big. Let me cancel. Go back. I'm going to squeeze it just a little bit. Squeeze it a little bit. Alright, so before you do anything, you make sure it's mirrored. So once you print it, it'll be face first, face front. Okay, so I'm gonna change it back to iron on the knob. This is a new heat transfer. Oh, can you hand me the thing, please?
What thing?
The board. Okay, and so I already have the heat press. I already have the heat press warming up now. Okay, anyway. So I got the little cute little board. This came with our Cricut. Oh, we need to cut this. I like how this feels. It feels legit. This is expensive. We paid $20 for that. Not even perfect, but it is fine. So, how I measure it, on here it says 1 and it ends between 6 and 7. So, on my cutting board, I'm going to put shiny side down. So this is the shiny side, so I'll put that down. And this is really long. Hope I can save some of this too. And we'll make sure good enough for me. So make sure it's in here. Oh, it's not. Okay.
Now we put it on iron on, or do we put it on vinyl?
So let me push this because it's a flashing light.
Now slide.
Huh? Ready? All right, let's go. So it's preparing right now. It's done. ripping it off. Daddy issues. Oh, we could say this part.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, nothing on here. Okay. So now I'm going to just weed out the little ones inside.
Next we're doing mine.
You doing it? Guys,
This is easier than it's supposed to be easier.
wow.
Oh, it says easier with the whole reading.
Okay. Whew. At least these letters are not that much. So let me just go back to the project.
Let's start warming up your shirt.
Alright, so this is right. I'm about to start warming. Like she said, warm up your shirt. And keep this bad boy here. So, yeah, let's do it. Do it right here, actually. Heat press is heating up. This is our shirt that I'm going to be using. I got a little stuff on it. It's just from the other thing. Anyway, so I'm going to just warm this up, the shirt, and iron all that and get the moisture out. All right, so I'm just going to press this out.
You can't take white.
Why?
Because he only doing light writing if we take it to him.
All right. So.
These 6 items. Okay.
Peel this off. This is how it will look. Can you guys see it? So I'm just gonna lay it across. And then alright, so I'm gonna just sit for about 2 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and check on it. Alright, so I lied. We didn't wait 2 minutes. It was about 15 seconds. So I'm going to, okay. It's there. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to press it one more time with the parchment paper. Can you hand me that, please, ma'am? So I'm going to press it one more time with this. It looks so good. We did it. We did it. All right, so I'm going on
a journey.
And I realized like
I get frustrated. I
Yeah.
just start buying. Towards like, give me what I need.
But you know, the last video, it was like 12 o'clock in the morning and we was working on it and we just realized it was the transfer paper. We weren't doing anything wrong. It was just the vinyl actually that we had. We didn't have this one.
All right, it was following the instructions.
All right, I think we're ready, baby. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm so excited. It took forever, but we did it. So this is it. It feels so nice. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And you can follow us on our journey of starting this business. I'm so relieved that we finally got it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.